Welcome to my channel. I am Uncle Mark. I'm going to be showing you how I replace this turn signal bulb in the Dodge Journey or the Fiat Freemont, depending on which vehicle it is. It's not hard to do. It's actually situated pretty easy to reach. So if you open the hood and you look on whichever side it is, it's the one that sticks out the most, like this one, right behind the light. Now you're going to want to turn it counterclockwise. Once you get it out, you'll know it's the right bulb because this should be orange. Well, they call it amber. This is what the bulb looks like. Give me to move around here a little bit. There it is. Pretty common bulb. It just wiggles out. Yes, you can touch these orange ones with your fingers on the new bulb. It won't hurt. So there it is right there. We'll try and do a close-up and see what the number is. It looks like it's a 3757AK. So I'm thinking the A is for amber, the orange color, and the K is probably kryptonite, which is, one of these bulbs that should last a long time. There you go. So it's that easy to take out. Take your new bulb. It just snaps in. It doesn't matter which way. It only fits in two different ways, but either way will work. And then it's got a couple little fingers here that are different widths, little tabs, which makes it only fit in one way. So if you can't get it to go in there, just maybe turn it a quarter turn, see if that fits. If not, turn it another quarter turn, and all of a sudden it'll pop in there, and then just give it a quarter turn clockwise, and it's in. Now, bonus, we'll show you how to replace this light as well since you're here. That's this bigger one at the bottom. Again, you just turn it counterclockwise, or to the left, I guess, and here it comes out. Now this bulb comes out a little differently. These ones, the new ones, you want to make sure you don't touch the glass. It's got this little locking mechanism here. There's the bulb number. It looks like it's an HB3, or a more common number is a 9005. And this just has to pry up just a little bit and get over that little bump there, and then it comes undone. Of course, don't lose that little orange washer or gasket in there. It makes it waterproof. Otherwise, it just goes back in. Same as the other bulb there. There's only one way that it goes in. It should snap in, and that's good. This might be an easier way if you have a little screwdriver to just gently pry those little fingers over that bump and wiggle the harness, and it should unplug. And then you can just turn the bulb, pull it out, and put your new bulb in. And then again, just when you have the new bulb, it only, don't touch the glass, of course, on the new one. This connector only goes together one way. You can't put it together wrong. And it should just snap. And then, of course, it goes in with those three fingers again. Fits in only one way. Now, while I've got you here, might as well show you how to do this light as well. Why not? This one's a little tougher. Now it's way on the corner, depending on what side of the vehicle you're on. It's against the fender, either side there. You have to do a little bit of feeling with your fingers, but the same thing, it turns counterclockwise or to the left, and it comes out. It's a glass bulb again, one of those clear ones. Different number though. Same idea, you just pull those fingers just slightly up and back. It should unsnap. This bulb is a little different number. Let's take a look at it. Looks like it's a 9006 this time. 9006. 9006. So you got that number there. The brand name doesn't really matter, but that's where it is in case you're looking on yours. New one, don't touch the glass. Again, it only goes in one way. Should click like that. Now this is going to take some, well, let's take a look at this first. Three fingers like the other ones too. They're all different sizes, so it only goes in one way. Can't put it in the wrong way. Once you get the glass part into the holder, this is probably going to all be done by feel or by touch, because it's really, really hard to see what you're doing. But it's not impossible, and again, it only fits in one way, so if you can't get it in the holes, or just turn it a little bit to one way or the other. See if it'll pop in then. If not, turn it a little bit more. I like to do it a couple times to get it in there. Once it snaps in. Turn it clockwise, it should lock into place. Well, I think that was pretty easy. You see that you can probably change this signal light bulb yourself, save yourself a couple bucks. If you do buy the bulb and you find out, oh, this is a little too tough for me, well, then you can pay your mechanic to do it for you. Please give me the thumbs up, though, if you liked how I put the video together. And if it was helpful, it helps YouTube see that, you liked it, and maybe somebody else will as well. You can also subscribe down in the corner. That way, the next video that comes out, you'll be notified right away. Very helpful. They usually come out once a week, so not lots of them. Also, if you have one of these vehicles, how about this blue circle here beside me? Just above it, we see the flashing yellow arrow pointing to a card way at the top there. That will bring you to the playlist of this vehicle with a whole bunch of different repair videos that can help you along. I'm Uncle Mark. Until next time, you and your family stay safe, and hope this has been helpful. Bye-bye for now. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Please come get, God, just goodness, what's going on? What is it anyway? So I think that was fairly, excuse me. You can also subscribe down in the corner as well. That'll notify you the next time a video comes out. Usually they come out once a week when I can get that many out at the,